Hello, I am Professor Prissy Ratcliffe, and this is Fashion 10. And I'm going to show you how to sew, cut, sew, mark, and finish a Christian Dior H skirt. Okay? So this is my book. If you want to get it, you can go on Prissy's House of Design Inc.com. So we're using it for all of the college students, and we're going to flip over to the pencil skirt. Now this one is a flare, so it's an H skirt. You can make it a pencil, pull it up, put a belt on it, and no one will know that it has elastic in the waistline, okay? You can make it short, like a little mini skirt, or midi, right above the knee and under the knee. However you choose to do it, we're going to show you how to make the Christian Dior H skirt, okay? So, we're using muslin, and we have already pre-cut on the fold of the fabric 2 pieces of the muslin. This is the pattern that we made for a mini skirt. If you can make it small, then you can make it large. So remember, this is a fold sign right here. So the fabric has to be on the fold of the fabric. So we're cutting 2 pieces on the fold of the fabric. We've already did our notches. This is a notch maker, and we've notched the fold for the elastic and the fold also to get rid of the fraying so that you can turn under that 1/8 seam allowance. This is our sewing line right here, and this is our hem line, okay? So now we're going to separate our skirt. And remember, we have a front of the skirt and the back of the skirt. So you can see where our notches are to fold it under on each side. And then we're going to superimpose this skirt, okay? So that it's even. And then we're going to mark it. Make sure your notches are matching from front to back. Lay them down. Just kind of pin them so that your fabric should be like 2 pieces of bread together. You know, you can't see the outside part. We're going to hem 1.5 inches on the side. So I suggest for my students to mark our areas. Okay. So we're going to mark it 1.5 inches so that we can do the proper seam allowance. We're marking it with just black chalk on both sides. So that we can really get a straight stitch. That little pin was right there. So we'll true it, making it even. All right, now one looks a little big from the other one, but we're gonna compensate. So once we do a back stitch, starting all the way down, then another back stitch. Have your machine set on 2.5 or 3. Then we're going to double fold the inside so that our seams look good on the inside. Double fold this on the outside. We're going to do it all the way down. Okay, so I suggest pinning it first so that you don't fold it the wrong way. All right, going to do the same thing on this side. Fold it to the inside because remember, this is the wrong side of the fabric. This is the inside. Going to double fold that side and double fold this side. We're just going to flip it as we go, okay? But pinning helps you already know that's your marker to show you which side the fold goes on, okay? So this is part 1 on how to construct and sew a H skirt by Christian Dior. So this is a regular elastic skirt that you pull up or pull over your head to fit on the waistline, and then you put a nice little belt on top. Part 1, stay tuned for part 2. You will see on Prissy's House of Design on YouTube. YouTube, Percy's House of Design. See you on part 2.